Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to go over how to compare decimals. And we're going to compare two decimals by either putting a less than, greater than, or equal to symbols in between our two decimals. So let's say we have those decimals 0.26 or 26 hundredths and 0.23 or 23 hundredths. Now, to compare these two decimals, we're going to compare them digit by digit. So starting with the 0 all the way on the left, since they're both 0 before the decimal point, we're going to start looking at the digits after the decimal point. So the first digit after our decimal point is 2. So it's 2 for both numbers. So since they're the same digit, we need to move on to the next digit to the right, which is 6 and 3. Okay, so comparing 6 and 3, we notice that 6 is greater than 3. That means 0.26 is greater than 0.23. So I'm going to put a greater than symbol in between our two values. Now let's say we had the numbers 0.213 and 0.224. Or you could say 213 thousandths and 224 thousandths. Once again, let's compare the digits digit by digit. So again, we have two zeros. We're going to move on to the first digit after the decimal point. So now they both have the digit 2. Okay, then let's move on to the next digit, which is 1, and the next digit for our second number is 2. Okay, in this case, 1 is less than 2, so automatically 0.213 is less than 0.224. So we did not need to compare the last digits 3 and 4. So you stop comparing once one of the digits in either number is smaller or greater than the other. Okay, now let's do 3.1274 and 3.1264. Okay, or we could read this as 3 and 1,274 ten thousandths and 3 and 1,264 ten thousandths. Okay, so comparing these two values, we're going digit by digit. So notice the digit in front of the decimal point is a 3. They're the same. So we're going to move on to the digits after the decimal point. So 1, so we have 1 and 1 for both numbers. So we're going to move on to the next number, going to the next number to the right. So looking at 2 and 2. So they both have 2. Okay, going to the next number. Now we have 7 and 6. Since 7 is larger than 6, then automatically 3.1274 is greater than 3.1264. And we are finished.